China is set to launch a groundbreaking space probe called the Lobster-Eye in search of mysterious cosmic crashes. This probe, developed by the European Space Agency, ESA, aims to study black holes and their gravitational waves. The Lobster-Eye probe will use innovative technology inspired by the eyes of lobsters to detect X-rays emitted by black holes. By studying these X-rays, scientists hope to gain a better understanding of the nature of black holes and the universe as a whole. Black holes are one of the most fascinating and enigmatic phenomena in the universe. They are regions in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape their gravitational pull. The study of black holes has been a topic of great interest for scientists for decades, and the Lobster-Eye probe will provide valuable insights into their behavior. The Lobster-Eye probe will be launched into space by China, marking a significant milestone in their space exploration efforts. China has been rapidly expanding its space program in recent years, with ambitious plans to explore the Moon, Mars, and beyond. This launch demonstrates China's commitment to pushing the boundaries of scientific knowledge and advancing our understanding of the universe. In addition to studying black holes, the Lobster-Eye probe will also investigate other cosmic phenomena, such as neutron stars and supernovae. By studying these cosmic events, scientists hope to unravel the mysteries of the universe and gain insights into its origins and evolution. The launch of the Lobster-Eye probe is an exciting development in the field of space exploration and astrophysics. It represents a significant step forward in our quest to understand the universe and the forces that shape it. With its innovative technology and ambitious goals, the Lobster-Eye probe promises to revolutionize our understanding of black holes and cosmic crashes. To stay updated on the latest developments in science, technology, space, and AI, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share this video to help us spread the knowledge and inspire others to explore the wonders of the universe. Thank you for watching.